Hi guys, I just got this package. It's a Hisense Infinity H50 Lite. Let me see the other side. Yes, so you can see it's the Hisense Infinity H50 Lite. I know there are a lot of videos on the internet reviewing the H50. This is the H50 Lite. Hisense Infinity H50 Lite is a new phone. See, they are trying to push it out, powered by Unisoc T618 chip. So this is the Hisense Infinity H50 Lite, which I am going to be sharing a lot with you guys. I just decided let me make also an unboxing video because I've watched many of these online and I quite enjoy them. So let's see what basically I can tell from the package that I basically have a phone inside and probably and all its accessories. Then also thanks to Hisense, I also get their free Bluetooth earbuds. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Unfortunately, I am using a phone to record this video, so I'm going to actually skip the cutting through bit because I don't think I'll be able to do it with one hand. So yeah, let's unbox this and see what I have got. Okay, so let's see what's inside the box. So okay, so this is what we have. I'm trying to do this with one hand. Some wrapping there, and so this is the pod with the earbuds inside. Can I open this with one hand? Maybe not. So I've unwrapped it. So this is what the pod with the earbuds look like inside, and those are the Bluetooth earbuds. These came for free. Let me try to get some focus on the camera and see what's happening here. Let's try to focus. So yeah, these are the earbuds. Nice. And there is a charging pod, so you can basically place the earbuds inside the pod and they will be able to charge. They almost look like your usual luxury brand buds. Nice. I can't wait to test these ones out. I will be giving you feedback in the coming videos on how I find these things. So let's go now to the main show, which is the phone. So let me just cut up the wrapping and yeah. Okay, so done with the wrapping, and here's what we have, the phone. How do I scoop this one out with only one hand? It's a huge phone compared to the phone that I'm holding right now, which is Huawei Wi-Fi. This is a big phone and it weighs, yeah, it's got some weight. Let's see what comes with the box before we actually open the phone. There is some complimentary stickers there. Okay, this is the pin to open for USB, not USB, micro SD and SIM card. I think this is a protective casing. sorry guys, I'm trying to do this with one hand. Okay, so they also give you free screen guard. There's a free screen guard. I don't want to open this with one hand in case okay, let's see, it's coming out. Okay, so there's free screen guard there. I think these guys tried to go all the way to sweeten the deal, and there is a free pouch for the back. Trying to make a video with only one hand. You can see there's a pouch for the back. So it comes with all these accessories: a screen guard and a pouch for the back. My first unwrapping video is turning out to be a mess, or things all over. Okay, cool. I think these guys have tried all they can to sweeten the deal. I again have earphones. These are earphones. So these are cable earphones, in addition to the Bluetooth earbuds. Then there is a charger there. There is USB there. Okay, so basically that's all that's at the back of the box. Now the phone, try not to drop this. The phone, there is it guys, there is the phone. Try not to drop it. Okay, so you can see there a big size screen, 4 gig RAM, 64 gig memory, and a huge battery, and a 48 megapixel camera. That's what they are talking about. The cameras there, that's what they are talking about. I'll need to remove all this wrapping edges, switch on the phone, and yeah. Okay guys, I think that's it for now. I just wanted to do this unwrapping video, my first one ever. I will definitely be sharing, maybe if anybody wants to know how the phone works, if it's a good phone, if it's a good choice. But so far I'm fairly impressed compared to the phone that I'm holding right now. This looks promising. Okay, like this video, subscribe. Oh yeah, there's the fingerprint sensor because it's on the side. Until next time, bye.